Here I am going to explain state chart experiment. So in this state chart diagram, they have given two questions. First question is, an organization customer may have complained about this product, and they will give an email ID for each product where they can send an email ID. Then they have a complaint to register. The email will be converted to complaint and get assigned to the person handling the product, and the complaint was been assigned to different person, and it will get tracked to closer, and the person handling the complaint will have the facility to communicate with the customer who have sent the email. So let me explain the diagram. This is the diagram, state chart diagram, and it has two state. First one is, this is initial state which starts this process, and this one is final state which ends this whole process. And here's a class, here's an object organization, and inside that there are three functions: entry, receive order, and entry receive complaint and feedback, and exit or delivery of the order. So first it's going into complaint handler. So this complaint handler has a synchronization bar. This synchronization bar is to divide two or more objects. So it's dividing into three objects: complaint based on make, the complaint based on packaging, the complaint based on delivery. So there are three types of complaint registration type. So complaint based on make can be solved and given to this and executed, and the complaint and packaging should also be complaint handled, and then it should be executed in this form. And delivery also, after receiving the complaint based on that, it will deliver to this final point. Then after this customer will send a complaint according to that what they have received. So the complaint handling is this process. These are the complaint handling process. And second one is, here's the customer is placing an order. So in this customer class object, there are four types of function taking place: entry and receive product, do or check whether the product is available or not, and exit provide complaint or feedback. So the customer will send complaint to according to that. And the next one is exit or pay for the object. So in this class, customer is placing an object in an organization and delivering the product which have been placed by the customer. So it's delivering the product, and it's using the product's mail ID. So the product mail ID is used to make payment and also give a complaint. So this is the choice point which has two which has point like either or vice. So it will send a complaint or feedback to the organization, and second one, it will make some payment. So if any complaint given by this, and it will send to this customer handler, and it will execute this process. So after that, it's going into this payment method. So payment and then payment process. After that, this is flow final. So after making that payment, it will get into transaction done, and it will execute here. So the product given by this placing order, and given the product has been given to the customer, and then product received. After receiving the product, it will execute. If customer need a product that is not available, so if it is not available in the organization, it will send it will check first. If product is unavailable, it will add to the wish list. When it came, it will notify to the customer. Then second diagram is billing method. So this is billing software method. The payment of software is a local software system. The software can be used in maintain the location of each patient with either ward or ICU. The information about the patient and the charges for the bed also be stored, and then the patient is also to be billed for test taken and medicines and operation carried on. So let me explain that diagram. And this is the starting initial state and this is ending state. So first, hospital billing system diagnose interaction with the patient. After interacting with the patient, it will decide whether the patient should be sent into ward or ICU based on the illness. So if it is in ward, they will compute the ward charge for the allocated ward. Then addition of the ward charge, they will add billing of medicines. So what are the medicines taken by that patient? Then it will calculate the total and it will discharge the payment. If it is in ICU, so in ICE it will take the ICE charge and the operation cost, and then it will add this total value in the medicine bill. After that, it will check the bill, then the bill payment will be transacted here. After the bill payment method completed, it will discharge the patient, then it executed to the final state. That's it. Thank you.